This is 4G router. We get this from the camera box, and first we need to put the SIM card into. And before plug, we need to ensure it's a correct set. Then we plug the power cable, but in the camera box, it's a green terminal. Power cable. Then we fix the antenna of the 4G signal and Wi-Fi and GPS. Then, if the SIM card is work, then the green lights will all turn lighting. Then we plug the cat cable between the router to the switch, but now for sure I connect to the computer. And then we will see the LED lights is all lighting. That means it's work. Then we go to PC computer to setting the 4G router